we have to raise to second power polynomial m squared plus 2m minus 3. How we do this? First we will rewrite our example where we have m squared plus 2m minus 3. We have to second power, so we have to multiply times m squared plus 2m minus 3. So now when we have multiplication, what we have to do? We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So this is equal. First we have m squared and we have to multiply by this whole expression in the second parenthesis. So we have m squared plus 2m minus 3. Next we have positive 2m and we have to multiply by the whole expression in the second parenthesis, so m squared plus 2m minus 3, and the last is negative 3. We have to multiply times m squared plus 2m minus 3. So this is equal. Now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means we have to multiply every term in the parenthesis by the expression which is before parenthesis. So we have m squared times m squared. When we don't have sign, it's always positive. So positive times positive give me positive. I don't have to write m squared. We have times m squared. Next we have positive times positive, so it will be positive sign, and we have m squared times 2m. Positive times negative give me negative, and we have m squared times 3. Next, before parentheses we have positive sign, so positive times positive give me positive, and we have 2m times m squared. Positive times positive, so it will be positive 2m times 2m. We have positive times negative give me negative 2m. We have times 3. And the last expression we have negative 3 times positive, so it will be negative 3 times m squared. Negative times positive give me negative, and we have 3 times 2m, and negative times negative give me positive. 3 times 3 is 9. So this is equal. Now we have to do first multiplications. M times m, the same base. So we copy the base and we add exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next we have positive sign. First we write the number, and now we have the same base, invisible exponent 1 and 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have m to third power minus, first we write the number 3, next variable m squared. Next we have plus 2, we have to copy, and the same base, invisible exponent 1 and 2. So will be m to power 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 2 times 2 give me 4, and m times m is m squared, because we have m in first power and in first power, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 2 times 3 is 6, and we have to copy m. Minus, we have 3m squared, minus 3 times 2 is 6m, and we have plus 9. So this is equal. Now we have to combine the like terms. We have only one expression with m to fourth power. Next we have m to third power, 2m to third power, 2m to third power. So both like terms are positive, so we keep positive sign, and now we have to just add coefficients. 2 plus 2 is 4, and we have to rewrite m to third power. Next we have negative 3m squared, positive 4m squared, and negative 3m squared. So how we do this? We have to just add or subtract the coefficients and keep the same variable m squared. We have to rewrite. So negative 3 plus 4 is 1. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. And we copy m squared. Next we have negative 6m and negative 6m. Both like terms are negative, so we keep negative sign, and we have to add the coefficient 6 plus 6 is 12. And we have to rewrite m. And at the end we have plus 9. This is my solution.